We need to normalize bullying Black Diamond. Yep, we need to bully Black Diamond. Because what do you mean Black Diamond is the very same guy who gave us Nomathemba, Samayo Muti, Price to Pay, Dumelang, Amehlo. Now they are making Tananani, oh, Tanana. Asambe, baby, asambe. Guys, I used to smash while Black Diamond is playing in the background. So you guys are telling me that right now I'm a smash while I'm playing Asambe, baby, Asambe. Is that what you're telling me? Now we need to bully these guys. At this point, they must wrap it up. It's either they make good music or not. Ndu did accounting in high school. If he doesn't want to make music, he must get an internship at Deloitte or PwC. No. These niggas are the very same guys who broke Brenda Fass's record on radio. Now you're telling me, I must sit down and listen to my legends. Badlala bo tananani oh tanana usasi mhlambe khona lockdown asabe baby asabe. Nah, I ain't taking that shit. Nope.